Raindrop falling on my window pane. Memories of mama running through my brain. Her love was like the sunshine on a cloudy day. Oh mama, I miss you in every single way. The rain keeps pouring as I sit here alone, thinking about the love that mama always shown. Her gentle touch, her comforting embrace.